Instructions for Lesson 2 using a memo from the Word templates. So again, you need to open Word, but instead of choosing a blank document, choose New, and then on the search for online templates, type Memo. And then you can pick any design style you'd like. I'll go with the modern memo, or you can go to choose the prism memo, whatever you'd like. And then choose, and again, if you wanted, oh, I don't know if I want that one, you could come back and choose a different one. Maybe I'll go with the prism, and then choose create. So for the date, once you select it, there's actually a shortcut for the date, so choose insert, and there is a date and time, insert date and time, and I'll select the third option, and then OK. And then for the logo, there is a logo that you can open and save on your device. And then what you would do is you can right-click and choose Change Picture, and I'm going to get it from this device where I've saved my pictures. And you can go ahead and select the logo you'd like. And then if you'd like, you can make it bigger. So to recipient 2, you can type my name, and then from will be your name. The subject will be working with Microsoft Word. Now for CC, which is carbon copy, we actually don't need this line. So what you can do, just be on that line, doesn't matter where you are, and choose the tab that says Table Layout, and then choose Delete Row. And then for this, you just select, this is an example of where your text would be, and you'll type the 3 paragraphs that are provided with this assignment. Remember, do not press enter unless you want to end a paragraph and begin a new one. And then once you're finished, if you want to take a look at what it would look like as a 1-page, there you have it. It's a very fancy memo. Memos are correspondence that's sent within a company. It doesn't go out in the mailing, so it's not a letter. So it's just correspondence within a company. So once you have that, go ahead and save and submit. Thank you. I just wanted to share with you the completed version. You can make it a little bit larger, the logo, but this is the completed file. Save and submit. Thank you.